So, you've started writing blogs, but you're having a hard time getting them off the ground. Not to worry, as there are a few things you can do to increase your odds of being seen. Hey guys, welcome to the channel Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that shares different angles to creating passive income online. So, let's talk blogging. If you've already started blogging, fortunately, it will never go away. It doesn't matter if you are selling an offer or starting up a recipe blog. People will continue to search online for those things. But let me share with you a few tips that may give you the cutting edge you may be looking for right now. Starting with number 1, tell your audience to comment. It's perfectly fine to mention to your visitors to leave a comment on your blog on occasion. Giving them a nudge is acceptable. In fact, the more comments you have on your site, the more Google will notice the engagement. The more engagement you have, the more likely you are to rank on Google when someone searches for your niche. Quick tip, a comment from someone can lead to insider data you can use for future blogs. This could be useful information for your next topic. Number 2, don't write just about your personal experiences only. Look, gone are the days of journaling your life online. No one is going to read about your trip to Puerto Rico. Your family may enjoy it, but outside of that, the reader may be looking for questions to be answered. So, instead of writing about the food you ate at your hotel, change it up and write about the best hotels that deliver the best food, or things you should know before ordering certain foods at your hotel. These may be questions people are already searching for online. And number 3, video to blog. Taking your content from a video and turning it into a blog will increase your odds of visibility. The more you have out there, the better for you. If you make a video and direct them to your blog from your YouTube channel, you also have the opportunity to add different visuals and affiliate offers there. There's no limit to using your online real estate, as the best way to do it is, well, to make the most of all the platforms. There's 3 things you can implement today. Which one resonates best with you? Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.